you run a business or you work for a living, AI is about to change everything about how you do it. And most people have no idea where to start. That's exactly why we built this community. This is where business owners, working professionals, and honestly, anyone who wants to learn AI can learn to actually use it. No hype, no tech degree required, because AI is here to stay and we're not about to get left behind. Real quick, look me in the eyes. I need you to promise me something. You are not gonna let AI leave with me, not us. All right, now that we've got that settled, here's what we're gonna do together. We go live and we build real things with AI right in front of you. Right now, we're building a real app from scratch. It's a day labor job board, a marketplace that connects workers looking for the same day, short-term shifts with businesses that need help fast. We're designing it step by step, the features, how it makes money, and how to build it the smart, safe way. And here's the part I love. You help shape it. Drop your ideas in the comments, features you want, problems to solve, and we'll build them together. We also break down AI tools you can use today, and we hunt down real opportunities, certifications, resources, ways to get ahead. So if that's what you've been looking for, do 2 quick things. 1, subscribe so you don't miss the build. 2, grab our free AI prompt starter kit. 5 prompts that'll save you hours, links right below. We're just getting started and we'd love for you to build this with us. Welcome aboard, let's go.